Today we invite you to join us on a captivating journey through time, where we'll uncover the extraordinary contributions of Islamic scholars to the world of science. Picture a world where the golden age of Islam flourished and brilliant minds delved into the mysteries of mathematics, astronomy, medicine, and beyond. So, find a comfortable spot and let us transport you to an era of unparalleled ingenuity and brilliance as we celebrate the legacy of these remarkable individuals. Our journey begins in the 8th century during the Islamic Golden Age, a period of remarkable cultural, economic, and scientific flourishing in the Muslim world. This era, spanning from the 8th to the 14th century, saw the rise of great cities like Baghdad, Damascus, and Cordoba, which became centers of learning and innovation. One of the most significant contributions of this period was the establishment of the House of Wisdom in Baghdad. Founded by Caliph Harun al-Rashid and later expanded by his son Al-Mamun, the House of Wisdom was a grand library and center for translation, where scholars from various cultures and religions came together to translate and preserve ancient texts. These scholars didn't just preserve knowledge, they expanded it. They made groundbreaking advancements in various fields, setting the stage for the Renaissance in Europe and shaping the modern scientific world. Mathematics is one of the fields where Islamic scholars made significant contributions. One of the most notable figures in this area is Al-Khwarizmi, often referred to as the father of algebra. In fact, the word algebra itself is derived from the title of his book, Kitab al-Jabr wal Muqabala. Al-Khwarizmi's work introduced the fundamental principles of algebra, which have become the foundation of modern mathematics. His methods for solving quadratic equations and his introduction of the concept of the algorithm have had a lasting impact on mathematics and computer science. Another prominent mathematician, Omar Khayyam, is known for his work on the classification and solution of cubic equations. His contributions extended beyond mathematics to include poetry, astronomy, and philosophy. Khayyam's geometric approach to solving cubic equations was groundbreaking. He combined algebra and geometry in ways that were far ahead of his time, influencing mathematical thought for centuries to come. Astronomy is another field where Islamic scholars excelled. One of the most influential astronomers of the Islamic Golden Age was Al-Biruni. His observations and calculations were so accurate that they were used by astronomers in Europe for centuries. Al-Biruni's most notable work, Zij al-Sabi, contains detailed astronomical tables and calculations that improved the accuracy of predicting solar and lunar eclipses. He also accurately determined the length of the solar year, refining the work of earlier astronomers like Ptolemy. Another towering figure in Islamic astronomy was Ibn al-Haytham, also known as Al-Hazan. He is often considered the father of optics for his groundbreaking work on light and vision. Ibn al-Haytham's book, Kitab al-Manazir, or Book of Optics, fundamentally changed the understanding of how vision works. He correctly theorized that vision occurs when light reflects off an object and enters the eye, laying the groundwork for the modern science of optics. Chapter 3, Medicine. Islamic contributions to medicine were equally impressive. One of the most renowned physicians of the Islamic Golden Age was Al-Razi, known in the West as Razis. His works in medicine, particularly Kitab al-Hawi, were encyclopedic in scope and covered numerous medical topics. Al-Razi was a pioneer in many areas, including pediatrics, ophthalmology, and surgery. He is also credited with being one of the first to differentiate between smallpox and measles, a significant advancement in the understanding of infectious diseases. Another giant in the field of medicine was Ibn Sina, or Avicenna. His magnum opus, the Canon of Medicine, was a comprehensive medical encyclopedia that served as the standard medical text in Europe and the Islamic world for centuries. Ibn Sina's Canon covered a wide range of topics, from pharmacology and anatomy to clinical medicine and surgery. His systematic approach to medical science and emphasis on evidence-based practice were revolutionary for his time. Chapter 4. Chemistry. In the realm of chemistry, one name stands out: Jabir ibn Hayyan, known in the West as Geber. Often referred to as the father of chemistry, Jabir made substantial contributions to the development of alchemy and chemistry. Jabir's works include detailed descriptions of various chemical processes such as distillation, crystallization, and sublimation. He also introduced experimental methods to the study of chemistry, laying the groundwork for modern chemical practices. His influence extended beyond the Islamic world as his writings were later translated into Latin and became key texts in medieval European alchemy. Chapter 5: Geography and Cartography. Islamic scholars also made remarkable advancements in geography and cartography. One of the most notable figures in this field was Al-Idrisi, a geographer and cartographer who created one of the most detailed maps of the medieval world. Al-Idrisi's map, known as the Tabula Rogeriana, was commissioned by the Norman king Roger II of Sicily. It combined knowledge from various cultures and was considered one of the most accurate maps of its time. His work not only provided valuable geographical information, but also demonstrated the interconnectedness of different cultures and the importance of knowledge exchange. Chapter 6: Engineering and Technology. In engineering and technology, Islamic inventors and engineers made significant contributions. One such figure is Al-Jazari, whose ingenious designs and inventions have earned him the title of Father of Robotics. Al-Jazari's book, The Book of Knowledge of Ingenious Mechanical Devices, describes a variety of automata, water clocks, and mechanical devices. His inventions demonstrated an advanced understanding of mechanics and hydraulics. One of his most famous inventions is the elephant clock, a complex timekeeping device that incorporated elements from different cultures, symbolizing the universal nature of scientific knowledge. Chapter 7: Philosophy and Science. The contributions of Islamic scholars were not limited to practical sciences. They also made significant advancements in philosophy and theoretical sciences. One of the most influential philosophers and scientists was Al-Farabi, known for his works on logic, metaphysics, and political philosophy. Al-Farabi's writings helped to integrate Greek philosophy with Islamic thought, paving the way for future scholars like Ibn Sina and Ibn Rushd. His works on logic and epistemology influenced both Islamic and European intellectual traditions. Another key figure was Ibn Rushd, or Averroes, who is best known for his extensive commentaries on Aristotle. His works played a crucial role in transmitting Greek philosophy to the Western world, shaping the intellectual landscape of the Renaissance. Chapter 8: The Legacy of Islamic Science. The legacy of Islamic science is profound and enduring. The advancements made by Muslim scholars during the Golden Age of Islam laid the foundations for modern science and technology. Their works were translated into Latin and studied in European universities, sparking the intellectual revival that led to the Renaissance. Today, the contributions of these scholars are recognized and celebrated worldwide. Their commitment to knowledge, inquiry, and innovation continues to inspire new generations of scientists and thinkers. As we conclude our journey through the history of Islamic contributions to science, we are reminded of the importance of cultural exchange and the collective pursuit of knowledge. The achievements of these remarkable individuals demonstrate that science and innovation know no borders. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep wondering.